The University of Maryland Baltimore project has been an ongoing project we've been working on for, I think, about 8 years.
1807 is the art and literary journal here at the University of Maryland Baltimore.
So what started out as kind of a concept of how can we bring the literary and artistic elements to these like seemingly kind of hard and cold areas became putting literal art on the walls of an overpass. And this is on concrete. When you think about this, like, oh, how does it look? Well, it looks like it's been painted on the wall, which is amazing when it's done right. And it's just really continued to grow. So now we've done 4 different really amazing projects with them over the years. Not only does it show this art off, but it actually delivers history. I've actually learned a thing or two when I was walking through there and seeing the final product of our team. The end expectation for our clients is always that it's going to look the way the picture looks. And so that's our responsibility, really, is to anticipate all the possible variables. I always say, control as many variables as possible. I mean, even something as simple as like the seams, the way it's installed is going to really flow, and just a testimony of our team and their capabilities to deliver a really great project consistently, because this is something, again, that we've been working with them over the last 7 or 8 years. And if we weren't able to do that, I'm quite certain we wouldn't continue to work with them.
We have had and built a great relationship with AP. They do great work. They're always really communicative, and I love the fact that I can just pick up the phone and get a response within a business day.
At the end of the day, something that I just really love about AP Surface is our ability to take a space, take the customer's vision, and turn it into something that really tells a story, invokes emotion, and just generally improves the energy of the space.